CNC stock analysis and CNC stock prediction. In this 1 minute video, I'm going to be breaking down exactly how I'm going to trade Centene Corporation stock. Centene, I said sentence, my bad. Yeah, it's 11% now, which is sick. My most recent prediction that I even had was like a potential. This is why I had this waiting sign, because it's potentially about to be a sell, but really shifted. Just that's fair. What I'll just see though now is I saw this proper shift, and because the price is just pumping and pumping, I would definitely look to double down on this market. But like randomly buying, like I always say, it's not going to be happening. So it would be a solid buy if it corrects a bit lower and gives me a confirmation. You know, like I said, I'm just not going to be getting myself involved just because, you know, it's pumping. Rules must be met, no sweat. And if you want to stay tuned, want to get free sauce, click the first link in the description. It's free. And I'm sure I have some previous receipts here. Yeah, previous receipts are here. If you want to stay tuned, want to get free sauce, click the first link in the description. See you in the next one.